There was a garage there. Yeah, I think it was the one down in there that one, yeah, completely leveled down.
Clear out these trees right here.
Yeah.
Probably did use green shots.
What'd you use?
Just somebody else had a chance on. We were just helping them move the stuff out of the way once they cut it. These guys helped a lot.
Yeah, they got a generator too. That helps.
Yeah.
There's the battles. Yeah, they got some damage. Nick, where's your mailbox?
Mailbox is inside.
Oh, yeah, the trees fall in the back too.
Yeah.
All right. Random car that, you know. That's what I was trying to tell my mom. I was like, you know, be lucky that your car just took minor damage because these ones there's some cars out there that got really fucked.
Smells like gas.
Those four are sitting. Could be a gas pipe broke.
Would you like?
Yeah, no, let's not blow up today. Oh shit.
Jesus, these are fairly new.
Fairly. They built those like before I left, right before.
Fairly new.
5-6 years. Right there? Oh, they're fine.
Yeah, it's just a very
They're fine.
I
They
didn't know
put
there was
boards
a
on the
sign.
windows and everything. Your signs are still standing. Oh, this church is one of the few that made it. I know. I'm kind of on the fence of pulling the one out of the front yard.
This is not right. I'll take my bike down the street.
Just, I always letting them go.
There's something in the way.
Yeah, this area had a lot of trees, I remember. Not anymore.
Alright.
Those were built up to code for sure. Jesus. Hey, check it out. New CVS. They knew what was gonna happen. You cheating bastards.
Oh, they lost an A.
Well, you know what? Look, they got
That
lights
one
on the
didn't.
inside too. Yeah. That's nice to see.
Flag.
Yeah. Popeyes looks good. They didn't even lose their lights.
Their windows are all gone, dude.
Oh, just kidding. No windows. And soda machine fountain looks like
Sonic
it
is
flew.
open.
Oh shit. Go Sonic.
Well, they made their sign off cardboard. Not like Little Caesars was.
Yeah, we're about to start getting into the really, really shit.
Goodwill.
We'll see if they still have clothes. They roped it off. Yesterday, that was not roped off. I was like, hey, Thomas, you need some clothes?
It's still standing.
Jesus. Dixie looks like it's going to be pretty good.
We're on 390 and like faster. Less lights. Oh, that's how we went down yesterday.
It was quicker. I was going to say turning at the sheriff's office. Could you get through that neighborhood?
Yesterday we could.
Yeah, do that next time. I haven't been this way yet, though. It's an adventure! What else can we find that's mortally fucked up? That house? They got lucky, though. They didn't go straight through the middle. They didn't go in at all.
They're checking on people here.
Oh, that house is fucked. Jesus
Because they're
Christ.
checking on people. I think they hear a dog.
Holy shit. This neighborhood got hit bad.
This is right down in our house.
I know, that's what I mean. Like, they cleared out a lot of the Lynn Haven area. This area's. No, I haven't. Which was this one? Moe?
Yeah. You can't even, I don't even understand how it hit the middle because, I mean, it's like, this is okay. The middle of it?
Well, it looks
The
like
roof.
a lot of their
Look at the
newer
roof.
buildings were. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that probably was an older building. Their newer ones have the better roofing. Well, that thing stood.
Utility workers ahead. Prepare to stop. No way.
What? There's utility workers up here.
There's trees.
We're just driving through an unknown area right now. That's what it looks like to me.
It's 390.
You know, I got lost yesterday, right? We were passing Baldwin. Yeah. I was like, oh shit, we're at Baldwin. You couldn't recognize it. Cut through there, go to the. Good. Doesn't that one go to the other one? Oh, somebody lived in the reserves. I don't remember who it was. They got some flooding or something like that.
So I've heard. Duct tape fixes everything.
Just duct tape it. Electrical tape. Be good. Oh, this is a mess. How the fuck did I take this cut?
Oh, these trees.
I mean, I was walking around when we were driving around yesterday. How do you fix it?
Restart.
Do you cut the wires or do you cut that? I mean, where do you start?
We got that bell cable down there. We got the bell cable.
Is that safe?
It's just powerless.
I like their idea here. They're lowering it. They're lowering them. So the tops that broke off, they're just clipping them down. They're just putting them on the lower parts.
Yeah, should have.
Smart.
Replace them one by one.
Nick, didn't you used to work there?
Not that one. No, mine's on Melbourne.
Fuck that place. They gave me food poisoning. Hope they demolish. Ace Hardware looks good. Generators and supplies. Rackham's is
Badcock up
fucked.
here? Oh yeah, Rackham's is gone.
Rackham's is gone.
See Badcock up here? Then look at the windows.
Badcock.
That's where I bought my TV stand.